You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Cruciferae, or there are two slightly different pronunciations, cruciferae, or as is quite common when you have this scientific AE ending, it's either I or E, cruciferae or cruciferae. Both pronunciations are indeed correct, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.